Hey, Nado, welcome to Presenter We Know the Presentable YouTube channel. Okay, this channel we create them because of the Jamanyama people when they Facebook and YouTube. Most of all these Edo women, when they say road work don't tire, they cannot see anything do, they can't rush enter YouTube, enter Facebook, come they make yama up and down. They show their dirty behavior. They show how we be saying nobody go fit stay with them, whether by friendship or by marriage or whatever. You see all these women, most of them they frustrated already. They will just come YouTube, come Facebook, come they constitute nuisance. They give bad name to the remaining Edo people when they say they legit, they get better things what they do. They cause it nothing but distraction to the rest Edo people. Who they will say be na Edo, who they will say be na Edo woman, nobody else na Edo women. We don't tire to the essence say many of us don't they shame as Edo women. The way when these women they bring bad reputation to us, especially the ones self when the ones who fed there before self, we never fit drive the entire house. The one when he say come, when he say Papa get name me, as I take reach for that Nigeria, I never hear of his Papa name before. I can't hear say he say Papa get name whatever. We don't know. Person when he say people know they hear his name. You will know say that person maybe not get any better impact when he do for Benin. Maybe now all those Agbero Bobizwa gang, Kabaka gangs, all those ones. We know they respect them because they don't get anything where they contribute to our nation, our Benin. Although I don't be Benin, but they don't get anything where they contribute to the place. So therefore, we could just blank them with their Papa name because that their Papa name it not go work for this social media at all. If their Papa should get name, they don't go call Europe. Their Papa will put them for better school. They will go school there educated are responsible. If the Papa really they responsible, they not go come social media, come they constitute nuisance. They go do social media, they do better thing. They go do social media either for business or to interact with friends. But as they say they do social media, come they fool themselves, they disgrace their old age and their future children. Then we have to call them to order because many of them they not get shame for high. Wait till you want to talk about woman where they say family take and they do can do. They take and they do sacrifice. For come Italy, say make a come find money, come feed the whole family. Person when Papa get money, not they come Italy. We know many women will come Italy. We can't work when they come do. But although not be everybody when they Italy can't do prostitution, but majority of them na prostitution they can't do. So therefore, all this my Papa name, who your Papa they feed Lawa. I want to talk about this lady when he said they call her Lawa Ivierio, when he say they cause problem for every corner of social media. She said she can't come pursue people enter house, now she can't even worse pass. Waiting the vex me for inside now hypocrisy and a lack of memory when she gets. You say you can't pursue people enter house, now you can't worse pass, now you can't do pass, now you can't be the most evil pass. You enter social media and they start to your gang, they start to carry juju on social media. People they quarrel for social media before, they never bring that to an evil strategy. One until they keep people, they cause madness, they destroy entire family for Benin. Una never carry enter social media, but you come, they can't carry that to a bad behavior, evil behavior, shallow behavior. Come social media, one until they do juju, they destroy people. I'm happy so when they do it publicly now before. Now private now for they do all this juju, they do all this charm, they do all this evil. They destroy themselves. But now they do it publicly now. Now I believe say that shame and disgrace could fall on top of all of my head. And you if you the problem where you get they say you get low, you get you don't get good memory. You will talk one thing, the next minute you go deny. You will talk another thing, next minute you go deny. You have problem, okay? May you go take care of yourself. All this what they do for social media, say you come pursue people enter us at the end and you come worse pass. May you stop them. May you stop am because I see say the people wey you go pursue enter ourselves, some of them even better pass you 1,000,000 times. Now you come worse pass. Everything wey you dey preach against say people dey do for social media, you na number one wey dey do am. You na number one wey dey do am. You don do exactly everything wey you say you dey preach against. That one already show your hypocrisy. Say you be number one hypocrite. Na to dey extort person for social media, na to dey threa ten person. Say you wan bring their family this one come out, you wan bring the other one come out. Wetin you never do when the rest people dey do? Tell me, wetin you never do in Vie Erijo? Wetin you never do when you be say the rest people dey do? You dey both say your father's name. Who your papa dey feed? Nobody. Your father is feeding. All those times when I take carry name up and down, a family, whatever, nobody wanna dey feed for that Benin. Nobody wanna dey feed. If your papa get it for a pocket, okay? Nobody wanna dey feed. All those who are evil wanna take the swear, come carry swear enter social media, carry dirty ayelala enter social media. All una cause go back to una because before una enter social media, una suppose know the rules and regulations of social media. Say if you make video, person get the right to comment, person get the right to oppose you, not to say that they really agree with what you dey talk. Now right of social media for say your video people no agree with am. There is no way they say talk for social media say people have to agree with your video. But as it be say you don't know the rules and regulations of social media, you come say you come pursue people enter house. Good, but you now you worse past people when you come pursue enter house. Now that one be the shame and disgrace and the hypocrisy when they worry you, girl. Now that one be the hypocrisy when they worry you. Because the people when you come pursue enter house now, you are behaving exactly like them. So which one be say you come pursue them enter house? Eh? Lawa, mona enter house. What thing you never do? Eh? I dey watch your video that day. You dey say me stainless rest in peace. Who of your mate for social media will never do all this evil? You are exactly like all of them for social media, so you better shut up your mouth. You better shut up your mouth and regulate your program or whatever you they do for social media. Because I see all of you now when they constitute themselves as a bunch of disgrace. Stop manipulating people. Stop disgracing yourself and your lineage. When you say my papa get name, get whatever. Stop disgracing your lineage because I don't see anything with this special about you. I don't see anything where be say important about you. Where they make big deal of who cares about you, who knows you. Nobody know you get. So enter house or moderate your program because as they look, I don't see anything where you be say you they contribute. You have nothing but constituting nuisance on social media. Constituting nuisance. You did very impulsive. Now you don't insult person. Now you don't talk nonsense. Dragging with your father's name. Who your papa help? Eh? Who your father's name don't help for that Benin? Because me, I not be Benin, but I grew up for Benin. I never 1 year of your father's name. So why are you constituting nuisance everywhere? Anytime you don't call social media 2 days. You don't cause ayelala problem. The ayelala self wey they no even get sense. Person go come report something wey concern social media for you. They go just carry yourself. You want go swear. You not ask the person the rules and regulations of social media. You they do video. I they see the video. They say share. You think say they share, people not go analyze your video. People not go look your video as if they say you they analyze people's video. Eh? As you they sit down they analyze video, what other people do, but you they cry say, may they not analyze your own, may they not opinion, may they not put opinion for your own, may they not comment for your own, but you they sit down and analyze other people's video, and on top of that, you they give the insults, you they swear for them, you they curse them. If the moment they analyze your own, you go carry juju. That juju or less social media talk say If person do video, person not fit analyze am, person not fit talk for the video, person not fit look the video, person not fit put their opinion for the video. If now so social media they talk am, because every work for this world get im own, rules and regulation. Even though Ayelala will go carry so, it get the rules and regulation, get wetin they forbid, it get wetin they eat sleep, yeah? It get wetin they forbid, it get wetin they allow, it get wetin not they allow. Or let's say not get the rules and regulation. As una take carry juju enter social media, now so that juju go play turn back against all of una. As a this one, no dey use una sense. Everything we rain, una wan put una mouth. Everything we rain, una wan put una self. Very impulsive people, una no get sense. Because if una get sense, una supposed to go think about the rules and regulation of social media. Now for go think and say, now mouth the same they talk. But because una be stark illiterate, sense no even still there, una will take everything as insult, as fight. Because una suffer not be small. The poverty don't chop many of una brain. Social problem. What did they take my talk, na cause, na problem. I fear una. Ihinwa. I don't be needed that they hear. Ihinwa, the type of people wanna be. Very disgraceful and shameless women everywhere. The one we say for pursue person, the one we say they pursue, the same character. The same. You go sit down, you go sweat. Let's talk to you the other day. You don't talk, say rest in peace. What be you did different between you and the people who you pursue entire severe you, the woman when papa get name when they don't know. You dey even see man they say over na my who knows you? Who knows you for being there? Who knows you? Don't buy finish. Who knows you? You just sit down, they talk nonsense for your mouth. Did you say 2020 anybody care about your papa name? You one local champion for Nigeria. Anybody care? That oppression, one of the oppressed people that I think anybody care about it. Not be now. That your papa name put on for pocket for social media. Because your father don't feed anybody. He don't pay people's school fees. We don't even know the impact your father made in Benin City Day. We don't even know. Or let's say now your papa carry you come Italy, may you can't go school. Or your papa carry you come Italy, may you can't put company. If not be that, say you don't step road like the rest of Yenamae. All the cost when they cost, it will end for your head, girl. Unless you don't step the same road with Oviena Main. Because now the people when you say they get money for that Benin, now they destroy that Benin. Now make many people get low self-esteem, oppress people. See our children now no better impact they could make instead to come to social media and be a bunch of disgrace. That is the cause that is following many of you. All of you are fighting for who you can oppress, who una fit put una hand, una leg on top of their head. That is what most of you Benin people are used to. That is why there is fight on social media. I will go take police arrest your mama. I have to test less that day. I will go take police arrest her. Who are you? Who do you think you are? You will talk of it, you will sweat up and down like say you be man. Now you the same man they talk. Yeah, respect yourself. You are just crossing too much boundary. Respect yourself because people they shame for you for social media. People they shame. Woman will come pursue people, you don't come worse past people will come pursue. Enough of your nonsense. Because I don't watch so many of your video, I say you get low memory storage. And you they lie face to face with camera. You they lie. You don't get credibility zero. You they lie. You go talk one thing, next me go deny. That one already shows say you know they mentally stable. You are just nothing but a drama queen. and the drama king. They cause trouble everywhere. Talk for you, talk for you. Come up for seminar, you come pursue people in house. You are even worse than the people you come to pursue in house. You worse past them now. You worse past them. If anybody papa for that beginning like make it get name, nobody wanna papa they fit you or anybody. Your father don't fit anybody. And I don't see anybody will get money for that beginning. We they get legacy or credibility. Who for them? Bobizwa, Konikabaka, Igbenedion, who get good legacy for them? Eh? Either a polygamous or criminal up and down, courts up and down. So what do you want to boast or fee for social media? Say you get. Waiting. They didn't want to destroy each other. Don't come social media. People when their papa not getting. Who cares? Who cares? Who your papa name they fit? If your father name was based on impact to the society, credibility and legacy, you will not go there Italy for how many years? You not go there or come Germany come they do aduro. They find food way for from government to one chop. It happens say most of your fathers one until they boast up and down. Many of them they don't provide nothing for una. Nothing. Many people enter the road today die for living up and down. Most of una father they are more people when they say he hope people destiny for that baby. Later, Surat Mata, the other one. His father na king, the other one, his father na chief. Who na help? Who na feed? Who na the help? One and all the leprosy here for social media. Bunch of disgraceful women sweating like a man. You better stop that your nonsense because you just constitute nothing but nuisance and stupidity on social media. I think so you be one whopper mature woman. But I still say it will be nothing but all these women when they behave like gutter. You will talk with authority, like say you be Agbero. What do they find for Germany? Why not go ring road? They go do yeki for ring road. What a shameless woman, beg. Make all of them respect from herself and the disgrace from herself for social media. Better be many people they will do bath where they do better things for social media. More and let us see road, see them. On the nonsense people will not get shame, when they know they respect themselves, they disgrace themselves up and down. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Okay? So make I live when I don't talk to the presenter when not the presentable. Finish this evening. Wanna respect on myself. All the presenter when not they presentable. I could talk about una for this channel. Because una plenty well way. Una don't do as she will finish. Wanna for the arrange yourself, go for therapy, go arrange yourself, look for family, look for man to marry. Now come social media, they constitute nuisance. All the irritating life when I don't live for road, all the cold when I don't take also for road. Now not let person hear what they get. If they talk something when you reach to quarrel, I will quarrel. The one when not reach to quarrel, I will quarrel. Everything I fight. No shame. Now be bunch of disgrace, okay? Presenter when not they presentable. Stop. When I stop on that nonsense, okay? I mean, they talk, okay? Bye bye everyone.